Nature created a perfect world where humans were just a tiny part of it. But somewhere along the way, we decided we could control it all. We build, we burn, we consume, we destroy. And the real question isn't whether nature can survive. The real question is, can we survive the chaos we're creating? So what will happen first? Will we completely destroy the planet? Or will the planet simply get rid of us? Let's find it out. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Once, humans were part of nature. We took only what we needed and nothing more. Our ancestors respected the land that gave them life. They knew, if you drain the earth, there's no harvest. But everything changed. First, we mastered fire. Then, we discovered metal. And now, machines are part of our everyday life. Every new invention made us stronger, but pulled us further away from nature. We built cities where the night is brighter than the day. We raised skyscrapers, cut highways through mountains, built bridges across oceans. We dammed rivers. We drilled the earth deeper than the roots of the oldest trees. We started to believe we were the masters of the planet. And so began a new era, the era of consumption. Today, we live in a world where species vanish every single day. In just the last 100 years, we've lost more life than in millions of years of evolution. The Amazon, the lungs of our planet, burns and falls to make way for soy fields and cattle ranches. The oceans are filling with plastic. Millions of sea creatures die, tangled in bags and nets we toss aside without a thought. Glaciers are melting. Sea levels are rising. Entire cities could disappear. We've changed the climate. We've altered the air we breathe. We've disrupted the heartbeat of the planet itself. We call it progress, but in reality, it's slow-motion suicide. So here's the question, louder than ever. What will happen first? Will we wipe out the planet, or will the planet wipe us out? Imagine a future where nothing changes. We keep consuming more than we can replace. We keep polluting more than we can clean. Cities suffocate in smog. The oceans turn into dead zones. Forests become deserts. Water becomes more valuable than gold. People fight wars over the last resources. A world where humanity defeated nature, but in doing so, destroyed itself. Now imagine the other scenario. Humanity disappears. Cities fall silent. Asphalt cracks. Skyscrapers crumble. In just a few decades, trees grow through the ruins. Animals return to places they haven't walked in centuries. Rivers run clear. The air is fresh again. In a few hundred years, there are no factories, no highways. Earth restores itself. It doesn't need us, but we need it. But here's the truth. This story isn't finished. We still have a choice. All around the world, people are planting forests, restoring rivers, cleaning oceans. Scientists are building new technologies to create energy without coal or smoke. Some countries are banning plastic. Some cities are switching to clean, green transport. And every single one of us can make a choice. It's not easy. And yes, sometimes it feels like one person can't change anything. But if millions, billions of people take even a small step, together, we can make the difference. Humanity has gone too far, and we're standing at the edge. Ahead of us are two paths: destroy the world along with ourselves, or save it and remain a part of it. The planet is stronger than us. It will outlive even us. The only real question is, do we want to be part of its future? To protect the Earth is to protect ourselves. To save the Earth is to save life itself. And the choice is ours. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your thoughts. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.